Alright, so like promised, I'm coming at you with a second video for core. I got a lot of good feedback on my first video, so I'm really excited that you guys are excited about getting your core strong, stable, and firm. The second video, this next video, is a little more challenging. It's a little bit quicker, a lot less rest. So if you could get through every single one without taking too long of a break, you're really gonna feel that burn, and it's under 10 minutes. So I hope you're ready to get your core nice and strong. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I post a video every week. Get your mat down, get on the ground, and let's get this started.
Okay, so I wanted to make this a little more challenging. The first workout was for beginners. This, I would say, is a little more intermediate. I've basically taken out a lot of the rest time. There are a few more workouts that just go, go, go. If you can breathe your way through it and find your center, find your core center, you'll do great at this. First, we're going to start with 6-inch leg raises for 30 seconds. Again, if you're still figuring out your core strength, figuring out stability and mobility, you can put your hands on the ground under your butt. That's going to help support your lower back. And then with zero rest, you're going to go into a reverse crunch leg lift. We have 15 of those. Really making sure you're getting those hips off the ground. That's going to work your upper and lower core. Remember, take those toes straight up. Try not to go super far over your head. We have 15 of those. And right when you're finished that, you're going to hold that 6-inch leg raise for another 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds are up, you're going to go right into a bicycle crunch at a 10 on each side, alternating right to left. Now with the bicycles, you really want to make sure you're getting your shoulder blades off of the ground. Getting to that crunch, you're almost trying to get your knee into your armpit. Right into 30 scissor kicks. I put my hands under my butt for that stability. I want to keep my lower back planted down, breathing. Remember, we're not taking a lot of rest. So as soon as you get done with that, we're going to go straight into a forearm plank. And that's going to be 30 seconds. Really, really, really keep your butt low. We don't want any V in the back. You don't want to arch your butt up. Deep inhales, pull your belly button in. You can have your fists, or you can place your palms down on the ground. You shouldn't feel any neck or low back pain while doing a plank. If so, you might want to put your knees on the ground until you start really building the core strength to hold a proper plank. Right up into a high plank with a knee to elbow twist. Right knee goes to your left knee goes to your right. Still really trying to keep your butt low and really getting into that twist. 10 on each side, and then you're gonna go back down to a forearm plank for 30 seconds. What I really love about the plank is that not only does it firm and tone your stomach, but it helps improve your balance and it helps your posture, specifically reducing pain in your back, giving you a little more flexibility. After that, plank with a hip dip. 10 on the left, 10 on the right, 20 total. Notice I'm keeping my forearms planted to the ground, swiveling my hips right on over to the other side, tapping the floor, popping back up. Immediately get back down to your back. We're gonna go for alternating knee to elbow crunch. I was feeling a little bold right here, so I went for 30, 15 on each side. Guys, if you're ever looking for more of a challenge, you can add more reps. You can try to take as little rest as possible between each set or each exercise. Speed is a big thing, but don't jeopardize form for speed. You want to do the motion right, and you want to feel it. Right after that, we're going to go into right to left toe touches. I'm doing 10 on the left and 10 on the right. Again, getting that upper body up and off the ground, really finding that crunch. This is the part where the workout starts to get super intense. We've been going for a good 6 minutes or so straight through, really finding that crunch. Breathing is important. Right into a jackknife. Oh, this is the killer. This is the last set. This is when you really want to pump it out, get that body moving, just work through it, really get those 10 jackknives in, take a break if you need, reset, find your power, find your core, get those legs and your arms moving at the same time. You're really feeling that core crunch. And just like that, under 10 minutes, an awesome core workout.
There it is. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you felt like that was a little more of a challenge. If you're looking for more challenge, again, you can always add more reps or you can go a little bit quicker between your rests. I hope to hear from you guys and I will see you later. Bye.